Some people call it showing your age. I like to call it demonstrating your experience. You use the right tool for the right job, and in more situations than our less experienced colleagues will admit to, AutoCAD may very well be the most efficient tool to get a job done. That drawing you need to update today? Well, it could have been an AutoCAD file originally created 10 or 20 years ago. Heck, it might have been you that created it, long before your company ever considered using 3D modeling for product design. And those of us that understand that time equals money, well, we long ago determined that certain projects are not worth the investment to completely migrate over into a 3D model. The battle of the ages doesn't have to come down to a dialogue of 2D or 3D. With associative DWG, shared libraries, advanced simulation, integrated CAM, and factory design utilities, you'll use the right tool for the right task. And if you're the contract manager charged with managing software licensing, how about providing your team with all of the tools they need to get the job done, all included in a subscription of the product design and manufacturing collection from Autodesk? So take another pour from that Stanley thermos, tell another slide rule story, and know that Autodesk will continue to be your trusted partner with both 2D and 3D product development tools.